Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing an extra problem today on premium problem. I guess it doesn't have to be premium. It's Gen 20, 2019, January 19 maybe. I'm actually going to the gym a little bit later, so I'm going to do this thing before going to the gym so that I won't be like always complaining about being tired. Also, to be honest, I am actually testing a new mic. You know that I have this mic here that you can't really see, but I got a new mic from DJI. I don't know. It's basically for when I travel because this is much smaller as you can see. And I'm just testing audio quality and stuff like that. So let me know if this is good enough, it's too loud, not loud enough, everything in between. Definitely appreciate the feedback so then I can adjust. And then, when I go on the road again, the sound is also good. Anyway, let's get started. It's going to be just RNG. I think some people complained that yesterday's farm that I did wasn't hard enough for hard. Look, I don't grade them. I just do farms. I don't. It doesn't matter what the difficulty is for me. I just do it, and it's just RNG. And today we get a easy one anyway, so just a problem that I haven't done before. So I guess eventually we'll go for the easy ones. And today is for 5 convert a number to hexadecimal. I think there's actually in Python, that is actually a thing, though I think that is not precise because I think it's like an OX or something like this. But we can at least take a look to see what that returns. Yeah, so it does have OX prefix. And negative is a little bit weird. What is negative? Oh, and I guess it does tell you not to use any library, but oh, two's complement. Okay, that's weird. I mean, it's weird in the sense that you have to learn stuff, but or like if you don't know, then you have to learn it. So it makes it's easy. It's not hard, but you just have to do it. Okay. That is really awkward though, because I'm trying to think. I mean, I guess in theory, like this is just a really um, almost underspecified problem. I think that's the problem with this one because two's complement actually like does it mean anything if you don't? Is it just like the first bit or like like in fixed with integers? Then it's very specific define what the sign bit is and stuff like that so that it is two's complement. But here like it is just not clear what this means and it is not. I mean, I guess I mean, look, there are things that you can reason out from this. Mostly that you assume that everything is an int, and not just an int, a 32-bit int. And yeah, okay, look, we can reason things out. We can from this follow through and stuff like that. But to be honest, it's still a very crappy way of, or just like it's unspecified. I think is the point. It's not. Now problems like this should be very specific. And yeah, and so okay, fine, right? So how do we do it? Um, I mean, there's nothing really that tricky about it, right? We just have, let's just say, a hex is 16, which is 2 to the 4. So now we're just grouping things by 4s, and we can certainly do that, right? So something like while num is greater than 0, we can do diff mod, I suppose. Or mod, is it mod diff or diff mod? Num and 16, right? Or not 16? Yeah, 16 actually. So then you have the. I actually forget which one goes first, but I think the num and then the current bits or something like that. Maybe it could be up like in reverse. Not quite sure, but yeah. And then after that, let's just say we have an array of stuff. We can do so. Current is going to be from 1 to 16, right? Oh, from 0 to 15, sorry, to be more precise. The more precise being that it is actually correct. And yeah, so, I mean, maybe we can just be lazy about it, right? So we have like, okay, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Right, and then enter that append, so it is going to be this of current, something like that. We haven't done with negatives yet, so don't worry, we will. But we append it to the end, so we have to reverse it, and then return to do that join answer, and we should be good for at least the first one. And we'll play around with it. Yeah, like I said, we haven't handled negative numbers yet, but I'm just trying a few things just to make sure that the positive number is first. And you can think about this like TDD, I suppose. But yeah, looks okay for the other one, so I think we're pretty good. The negative numbers, not so much. So yeah, so how do we want to think about it? I don't know how to handle the, oh, I guess it is just, yeah, so if num is less than 0, we maybe do num, how do I say it? Well, we convert it to positive, and then we just set a negative flag, I think, right? Oops. And then here at the end, if negative is equal to true, or if negative is true, then for I in range of length of answer sub I is equal to just not I, right? Just basically not everything. Oh no, it's from 16, isn't it? This would give me some like funky things maybe. Yeah. Oh, and did we already? Oh, this is already a string. Huh. So we have to actually do it here then. Okay, fine. Okay. If negative, then else. Right? And maybe just like someone like that. Oh, oops, I could delete this. But that's not quite enough either, because now we have to do it for every bit, right? This is such a weird problem. Basically, okay, there are 31 bits, so there's 8 characters here, right? Or 32 bits. Okay, fine. Fine. This is so annoying. Okay, so then now maybe I do something like for I in range of, what would I say it was 8, because 8 chunks of 4 bits, right? And then now we just remove the oh, did I mess this up? Wow, I did mess that up. But yeah, but then now we have to remove the leading zeros, which is I guess easier than this way. Oh, apparently I'm still wrong. Oh, because it's, oh, -1 is 2's complement. It's not, so you have to do a +1 on it. That's right. Or -1, because 0 is, yeah, okay. Oops. Wait. Yeah, okay. Or you could +1 and then do thing, but technically that might lead to, I guess they shouldn't lead to it. I guess this could lead to an overflow if you given -2 to the 31. So if depending on your, I guess the other way is also overflow. So in Python it doesn't matter, but in other languages you have to special case this number, I think. Well, it depends on how you handle negatives, I suppose. But yeah, and then now we just trim 0. Is there a trim? Oh no, but this isn't even a string, so, but we can do like left strip 0 maybe. Does that work? Is that a thing? Okay. Let's give it a submit. I'm not confident about this because, okay, yeah, I should have tested 0. I forgot. I was. I think that's the only edge case. Well, and maybe more negative numbers, but which we should have done anyway. As soon as I submit, I'm like, oh wait, I should probably just like, you could bang on whatever. Okay, these are good anyway. So this. Oh, I see. I thought that I did handle it, but I forgot that I just added the strip, and the strip removes it. Is there a left strip except for one king? Left strip, Python. Uh, So let's give me, I guess not, no other parameters. So okay, fine. This is just so awkward. I don't think you have to do that. I think it just returns 0 for 0 or something. Maybe this is cleaner. And it looks good for the other negative numbers, just to be clear. And all right, there we go. We should have tested that because I was thinking about it for -1, and then I was like, and I just forgot, got a little bit distracted. I hope the audio is good because that would be funny if I just end up like this is just not recording at all, because that would be amusing, but not in a good way, but it'll be amusing. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I mean, this is going to be linear time, linear space. Remember that we're calling that linear is in the number of bits, and we have the same. We have a constant number of bits, I suppose, depending how you want to say it. But I don't know, something like that. Depending how you want to say it. It is a easy problem, but it is a little bit sloppy, a little bit messy, a lot of edge cases. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. Hope you got the streak alive. Hope y'all have a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.